Hey guys, what's up? Just kind of hanging out here by myself tonight. By myself, so you gotta bear with me with the camera and everything like that. I'm just kind of built me a little fire going here and gonna roast me some potato bugs and eat them, see how they are. I know that I was reading something on the internet the other day, and the Native Americans used to eat them like popcorn back in the day, and so I figured I'm just gonna try it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and roast them real quick and see how they taste. Fish down real quick. Get them roasting here. All good and warm. Without falling in the fire. Alright, so I got one of these guys off this skewer. Cook and eat it. Potato bug. And to eat it and see how it tastes. So, you know, bon appetit, huh? Kind of bitter. Actually, not really bitter, actually. What am I thinking? Tastes kind of charred. Doesn't really. Tastes kind of like burnt popcorn, actually. It's a little bit of bug hint in there, you know. A little bit of bug flavor, but doesn't taste that bad. Alright, so y'all guys have fun, be safe. See you later.